Come on.
If you guys drop a like on this video in the next 5 seconds, then you guys will have 5 years of good luck.
Until I looked at you. Until I looked at you. Until I looked at you.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now guys, before we get into that video, I would like to say that I am hosting a modded account giveaway with some of my friends. To enter the modded account giveaway, subscribe to me with notifications on, like the video, comment your console 5 times, and once you've done that, go down in the description and follow the steps down there too. And once you've done all that, you guys will be entered in the giveaway. And now let's get straight into the video.